Hey guys, we have come for a touchless car wash today for my Tesla Model 3. We are in the queue and right now, so I'm gonna explain what we need to do for Tesla car wash. So first of all, you need to click this car icon and then you go to service and then you press car wash mode. So touching this mode will enter into the car wash mode. So you can see that it will keep the speed below 15 kilometers per hour. It will lock everything. It will lock the automatic wipers. It will switch off the parking assist chimes. It will switch off the sentry mode. The climate will become recirculating. It will close the trunk and the front, and you can also fold the mirror if you like. To exit the car wash, simply click this button or increase the speed above 15 kilometers per hour. Next in the queue, and you're gonna enable the car wash mode right now and see how it goes. I'm gonna fold the mirror as well. This particular Petro Canada car wash, there were three options for car wash. I chose the most basic version, which uses only soap and water. The reason behind me choosing that was because a lot of people have reported that because of the chemicals used in car wash, there has been discoloration in the door handles. So I played it safe and decided to go with only soap and water based car wash. The price was $13.99 Canadian dollars. After the car wash, there were no issues with the black door handles or any other issue with the car. So we can safely say if you use touchless and only soap and water based car wash, it's safe to wash your Tesla Model 3 2022. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video.